Good morning, everyone! In today's video I want to talk about whiskey throttles and how to avoid them. Whiskey throttle is a pretty common new rider's mistake. I even personally started my motorcycling career at the age of 10 by slamming my dad's scooter into our neighbor's fence. Though I admit it can be pretty hilarious to watch on videos, it also can be quite dangerous. So, for example, if you are teaching your kid how to ride, or even not a kid but just a new rider generally, it's better to explain him how to avoid doing this whiskey throttle stunt. Before we begin, please click the like, subscribe and the bell buttons. And if you like these videos, consider supporting this channel by becoming a member on YouTube or by joining our Patreon page. And check out our group for beginner riders on Facebook. Okay, back to whiskey throttles. The main cause of it is the way how student grips the throttle. Very often people grab the throttle like this, with the bent wrist, like they are preparing to open the throttle fully. Then, when the bike begins acceleration, rider's body moves back under acceleration forces. Of course, our rider holds on to the handlebars for a dear life, the throttle fully opens up, and the rider can't let it go. And bike proceeds to accelerate until it meets something. Now what can you do instead is you can grip your throttle like this, so your wrist is not bent, but flat. With this grip, even if you accidentally dump the clutch and suddenly accelerate, the throttle will close as your arms become straight. As the throttle closes, your bike starts engine braking, and at this point you'll be able to regain control over it. So, you know, when you're teaching a newbie how to ride a bike, you can give him not one, but two priceless advices. Don't dump the clutch and hold your throttle the right way, with your wrist flat when your throttle is closed. Well, I hope that makes sense. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section or in the Facebook group. Thank you for watching. Bye!